want to make a graph with two sets of data in Excel, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer and enter your data in two columns. Make sure each column has a clear header. For example, one column can be sales for 1 year and the second column can be sales for another year. Now select all the data, including both columns and the headers. At the top of Excel, click on the Insert tab. In the Chart section, choose a chart type, such as a column chart or line chart. Excel will automatically create a graph showing both sets of data together. Each data set will appear in a different color. If you want to change the chart style, click on the chart to select it. You can use Chart Design to change colors, layout, or chart type. That's how you create a graph with two sets of data in Excel.